Good Thursday morning, everyone. Today is Thinking Cap Thursday, so be ready to share your work at 8:30. In math, we will have a division project that we're going to do in groups. In literacy, Maripaz, Tiziana, and Anastasia will see Miss Rollins, and the rest will be with me. At 11:45, the following people need to join. That will be for the spelling test. I still need Adriana, Akash, David, Olivia, Rafaela, Sophia, and Tiziana. And for the decimal quiz, I need Francis. And for the partial quotient division quiz, I need Olivia and David. And they're also on my spelling test list. So I will see those people at 8:30. Let's make it a great Thursday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.